In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit landscape photos in GIMP. Whether you're capturing the ethereal beauty of a sunrise or the majestic sweep of a mountain range, enhancing your landscape photos can make a world of difference. And today, we're diving into the basics to help you do exactly that. We'll go through a few simple steps to transform your images into vivid masterpieces. Let's start by opening the landscape photo file you want to edit. In GIMP, simply go to the File menu at the top left corner, click on Open, and browse your computer to find the desired image. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the editing work we'll do moving forward. Now we're going to enhance the sky and improve contrast using the Colors feature. Head over to the Colors menu and you'll find both Levels and Curves options there. If your sky looks washed out or lacks vibrancy, adjusting the levels can rectify that. Drag the sliders for highlights, midtones, and shadows to create a more balanced look, and use the preview window to gauge your adjustments. Don't be afraid to experiment with the curves to further refine the contrast, as this can add dramatic depth to your image. Having tackled contrast, it's time to enhance details by sharpening your photo and boosting its saturation. For sharpening, navigate to the Filters menu and select Enhance, followed by Sharpen. Adjust the settings cautiously to make details pop without causing the image to look overly harsh. Next, boosting saturation will accentuate the colors within your landscape, making them more vivid. Return to the Colors menu and select Saturation to give your image that extra burst of color it might need. With your photo now gleaming in color and clarity, the final step is to crop it to your desired composition. A thoughtful crop can draw the viewer's attention toward key elements of your landscape, such as leading lines or striking features. Click on the Crop tool in the toolbox, select the area you want to keep, and press Enter to finalize it. This is your chance to refine the image's overall composition, so take your time to get it just right. Finally, it's time to export your beautifully edited landscape photo. Go to File and click on Export As. Make sure to choose the desired file format, typically JPEG or PNG, and give your file a name. Select your destination folder and hit Export. Pay attention to any final export settings like quality, as they can affect your file size and image clarity. And there you have it. We've taken your landscape photo through a few essential editing steps in GIMP, bringing out the stunning details and vibrant colors hiding within your image. These simple adjustments can truly highlight the natural beauty of your scene, making your landscape photographs stand out. Happy editing!